right, here we go. Group break 882. I think we got to go here, right?
I don't think that's going to cut it.
I don't think it's going to cut it. Super Break Deluxe, Box Breakers Edition. Pick your spot draft. Get out of my pants.
Mama getting here.
Uh-oh.
It's got purple. That could be a good sign.
I see red, white, and blue and stars. I think I know what that means.
Presidential.
I think it's going to be presidential.
Well, let's hope it's George Washington.
T. Jeff hasn't come out yet. I think I would take, I'd almost want a T. Jeff over old George.
Nice ball. It's gold right here.
Hey, look. Look at this spray paint. Yeah.
Wow, red tape.
Man, yeah, these scissors.
Where's the?
Long story. These have been around for 5 years. The whole time. They don't cut every break, but they've been here the whole time. Woo, buddy. We'll get into it. I'll rip that. I'm gonna rip that side. Oh wait. Whoa. We got it. We're good. Get in there. There you go. All right. Nope. Which one? I'll just back up.
Oh, that's a token box.
Talk to me. Oh. Sounds like a submarine under the ocean. I just hear a lot of static. No, it's going.
It'll leave a surprise.
All right. Actually, I kind of don't want to hear it. This is the cards. We'll do that first. This is fill in the blanks. And we're going to save that guy for last. Uh-oh.
That's going to be
That's going to be a redemption. Okay, we'll probably do that before, not last.
There you go. I've seen a lot of Mike Trout bats.
Yeah, that's been a big redemption.
Which, that's actually pretty good.
That's good.
I'll take it.
Especially later in the draft, typically. Yeah, I didn't talk very. I'm kind of glad though. No looking.
I think I saw it.
No looking. It probably has nothing to do with.
It has nothing to do with the main page.
I don't think so.
Wow.
I'm trying to remember. Do you remember which way?
No.
Well, maybe here in a second.
Maybe. What do you say?
He asked if there's any Clemente rookies. First up. Wow. Superfractor Jumbo Patch Autograph from 2012 Finest. Ty Hilton. 101. 9.5. Gem Mint.
Hilton?
I thought he just got suspended.
Gotta keep it inside.
Next up. Yu Darvish, rookie. The 199 Gem Mint 9.5. Darvish, rookie auto 9.5. That's with the 9 auto, which when it's Yu Darvish, that's probably pretty good, honestly. This is a bit of a scribble. Next up, 9.5. Lucas Giolito.
Number 10.
9.5 Gem Mint 10. That's. Oh, they put the autograph on the front of this one. 10 autograph. That's the Blue Wave. Yeah, Stevie J's. Oh, this is an old one. It's an old one. Oh boy. 51 Bowman Ted Williams.
Wow.
84 near mint 7. That's big. That's good. Ted Williams. 51 Bowman. Oh man, that's
gotta be
beautiful.
tough.
That's beautiful. Oh
You never
man,
know. See how stacked this is.
Look at that.
If not, that falls to me. It's
that is incredible. Wow. Kyrie Irving and Anthony Davis, number to 25, 9.5 gem mint from NT.
This is cracking me up right there.
Negotiation going
Yeah, father son there. How can you resist that face?
Here's another one, another vintage.
I love the bag.
Oh, no, I don't think it is actually. It looks vintage, but it's not. Muhammad Ali, 93 sporting profiles, PSA DNA autograph.
Wow. Very nice.
Back in the day when that was tough.
Legible?
Oh no, when it was tough to pull that stuff.
It's still not like it's not a straight line. It's got some squiggles.
It's got
Yeah.
some shape to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's got a little
It's
bit of
not
a heartbeat on that.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a heartbeat. Man. It's not a straight line. Yeah, it's
Another
definitely
thin. Oh,
Muhammad.
this is the. That's what happens when it's a good one.
It's just
That's
double
a.
wrap.
That's a big one.
It's a good one.
Wow. I want to pull that first.
Well, I'll show it. Carmelo Anthony sketch.
Sketch.
Please don't have anything to do with it.
That'll be the jersey.
Yeah, it's 101.
No, yeah, it's a bonus.
I know. I'm just saying,
Yeah.
it's pretty cool.
Sometimes the sketch has to do
That'll
with
be the,
that.
that'll be the jersey.
Oh, I know what it is.
You already peeked it. You saw
No,
it.
I saw the back of the card. That's all you got to see.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's an 86 Fleer Jordan.
Oh my God.
Mint 9.
Mint
Mint 9. I saw the back and I knew exactly what it was. Mint 9 Jordan
Mint 9.
from Fleer Premier.
That's yeah.
Oh man.
Money. That's huge. It's huge.
Oh yeah. Definitely over that.
It's huge.
Mint 9 Jordan rookie.
Yeah.
Holy grail
basketball.
of
This is the holy grail
The basketball
of
card.
We
basketball
got that
cards.
right, Mirko.
The basketball card. Oh my
Oh man.
Right?
Oh man.
Does he know
Yeah.
what the wrapper was in? It feels special. $100 just for that. Mike's like shaking.
You can come up here, sweetie. Come on over.
It's gonna be Carmelo.
Was the sketch card usually match something in the...
Is that a Nuggets game?
I know in some breaks I think, but I think they're all together.
Oh no. That's not Mello.
Peyton Manning. That's Peyton.
Tennessee.
Peyton Manning.
Wow.
Tennessee
Yep.
jersey.
Autographed Tennessee jersey.
It's not game.
Probably not. No.
No, it's just...
Peyton Manning, autographed Tennessee with LOA.
Well, let's see what's in here. Is Tim right?
Yeah.
What do you want to put this in? Right here?
Yeah, it was laid on top of that.
Probably gonna be like 4.
Oh man.
Sick.
4 or 5.
Like, it's like pulling a...
Yeah, this is one of the most better all around boxes I've seen.
That's like pulling a high-graded Bobby Orr.
Yeah, it's something. Yeah,
How much did the box cost? What you guys bet?
that's that guy.
Yeah, we don't discuss.
Carmelo Anthony game used Knicks signed sneakers.
Sneakers. God, sneakers.
Dang.
The sneakers.
That's the Melo.
Carmelo
There's the Carmelo.
sneakers.
Knicks.
There's your Carmelo.
There's your Carmelo.
I'm a Knicks fan. If that helps anybody. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna matter here, right?
Yeah, anything for the PC, right guys?
Yeah, DC, right?
All right, here we go. Oh, I know. It's got a. It's like one of the big top
Last
loaders.
one, right?
They're in the top loader. It'd probably be double wrapped.
Slow rolling.
Well, oh, I don't know what it is. No, it's not double wrapped.
This last
They're
piece.
normally not double wrap.
Last piece.
You look at it first.
Nick's
Mike.
It's
trying
thick.
to-
It's a thick top
You
loader.
look at it.
Stefan's
No way.
It's a thick top loader.
Oh man.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, my
Wow.
God.
Oh Oh my gosh. Albert Pujols signed game used batting glove.
That is cool.
Wow.
And where are we from? St. Louis?
Who cares? Too bad he's not there no more. It doesn't
That's all
matter.
right. That was his home. That's all that matters.
Wow,
Not
that's
St. Louis, Kansas City.
that's so nice.
St. Louis is his home.
He always has a sweet spot over there. He goes over there and has a...
Woo!
Wow. Now we all sit here and talk.
All right.
That's great.
Keep that for
So first up, Sarge has got top 4. Obviously, if you need a
Give me
if you need a
some time.
second, yeah.
A
No,
second?
if you need a second, take it. We're not rushing you.
I know.
Help me out, man.
I'm-
give me an estimate on
I'm
Ted,
on it.
Ted
It-
Williams, man.
Okay. I'm on it.
Okay, cool.
And the
Well, we'll
Ollie.
get to that.
I really want to see the Ollie is.
I mean, they are, but they're not going to run away. You know what I'm saying? That's the 84 on that? No, 84 is
Oh
incredible.
yeah, you're not. You're getting one of these.
What is that, a 51?
51
I'm
Williams.
getting whatever the ones he's not taking. I'm getting whatever. And whatever Maple Leafs I'm taking. And my odds.
That looks like that's
I
gonna
would
be
say so, Maple.
What do you say?
Good box.
600 on the Williams.
What's this box go for?
I wonder how much a Jordan is.
That's on logo right now.
6 foot Williams.
Takes the jersey,
I
right?
sell that
There's
right
a
here
graded
right now.
9.5 and 46.5.
Get some for them.
Even the Jordans,
Sell it to the guy over here, the guy that like all the shields.
9.5 gem, and that's a what, 9, right?
The Jordan's going to be
It could be like 3,000. He said he sees
3282 was the last mint 9 Jordan. Let me make sure that's the same. Yep, 3282.
Oh my god.
And so that'll be one.
I like that.
Yeah, that's definitely one.
Yeah, pull it off the table.
Yeah, that's definitely one. Before you pull it, I mean, okay.
You choose.
I mean, just touch it.
I want to touch it.
I mean, that card it only keeps going.
Yeah.
What do you think the Manning's worth?
Which one?
Manning.
I wonder what the
Are the
Ollie is.
Carmelo better than the Manning?
Personally, I'm like, yeah, I don't know. Value on that's going to be tough.
Well, they game you.
Right. Yeah, exactly. That's
So
what I
that's
mean.
gotta give it a
That's
bigger
what I mean.
value,
Like, if
no?
I'm picking between those two, I'm taking those all day.
Ollie.
Just-
I know it's not up in the top 4, but I'm curious.
What's that?
The Ollie. I don't know if it's probably top 4, but I'm curious what it is.
Hey, I've never even seen that card.
Yeah, take that. How much is the spot? Like, where are you?
No,
And it's actually like Muhammad, you know. It's not like it's like
Right.
You think the Williams is worth more? How much?
This is like 250.
Like I bought
You think the
number
Williams is worth more than the Manning jersey?
I think they're about equivalent if I had to
Probably
guess.
pretty close.
Just guessing. Just on his autograph price and everything, like for like, you know, show sign and stuff like that.
I have
You know
no
what?
idea.
Dad, I'm not gonna watch you.
Like I only do
Over there.
Put it all on
All I
that.
know is you're doing good.
Yeah, you're doing great.
Like you, that is. So.
Let me just look up one thing.
Oh man. And that, more than Jordan, it's like, but a mint 9.
Yeah.
That's
That kid said there's nothing under 200 there, so
no, everything is. Because even if you end up getting like a prospect, this is the only guy you don't even know, you don't know about yet. Everyone else is.
where am I from?
I want to go to Alley.
That's what I mean. Everything here, you can't. No one can be upset about anything here.
Dude, I'm
Think about CBJ fan right now. He's last pick.
Yeah, he's getting some.
What's? There's nothing.
Does the sketch card go with
So
something?
I'm gonna. That's going with Carmelo.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. I know.
The random number. No, it should be
Look,
right.
here's a Manning ball jersey. Yeah, here's another one.
No, it doesn't.
Maple Leafs. Yeah, this is it. You're number 5, man.
400.
Once Sarge makes his pick, you're up.
I mean, the Manning's 400. I think the Williams is worth more, man.
No, it is.
only
It's more than
gonna
that,
go
then,
Big.
yeah. No, and I'm taking vintage all day.
So we got the 1,
Jordan. Yep.
2 would be Pujols, 3,
Yes.
Ted Williams.
All right. Here goes, guys. Sarge made his
You
picks.
guys agree?
I think you are. You should walk out of this show smiling big. All right. Number 1, Michael Jordan. That's for Sarge. We'll get some pictures with you.
Game use.
Yeah, we want some pictures.
He's taking, well, number 2, he's going to take Albert Pujols, just for the sake of telling you guys what they picked in what order.
That hold it the cup.
That's pretty awesome.
That is awesome.
The Ted Williams.
That's awesome.
Ted Williams is going.
Yeah.
And the Carmelo sneakers.
Hide that all
So, not that far. There you go.
I want to see what everybody else brings.
All right, Maple Leafs. Maple Leafs.
Let's see what he takes. I know.
Maple Leafs.
He's waiting with bated breath.
Well, I already know what I want.
Well, a lot of this is
no
like,
matter what somebody's going to take it from me. Yeah, because I couldn't.
I don't know. You might know.
I'm just watching take it.
So Maple Leafs. Yeah.
Yes.
No, you're okay. So Maple Leafs, you're on the clock. We've got. Let's just start and go. We'll go around the horn. We've got a Darvish 9.5 gem mint to 199. Rookie autograph. Okay. Gem mint 9.5. We've got a Ty Hilton 9.5 super fractor 101 patch autograph.
That would never get sold. It would sit in my collection.
Lucas Giolito
Who's all in all this stuff?
9.5 10. And yeah, you guys in the chat help out because I'm
I'll give you the card back.
yeah, I'm not looking up all the values of every card, you know. Kyrie and Davis.
Anthony Davis?
Muhammad Ali. Number one.
We have Ali and Manning is what I'm seeing a lot of.
I'm just kidding, that's not slipping down to 9. I'm guessing I'm getting you that one.
I'm glad.
Beautiful.
That is a good
That guy
Ali
here
auto.
that did this.
I don't know because he didn't call me today.
I'll show it quick.
Yes, the Ali sign.
Take my watch. Yeah, you know what my watch is like $75 fossil watch.
Pull it back a little bit. Not yet.
Everyone's got to be happy though.
What are those cards? Does anyone know how to look those kind of cards up?
I said I'm really bad. I'm really,
Yeah, you punch it in the incubator description.
I'm really glad you bought this. That's what I was looking for.
With a 9.5.
And I feel so awesome.
What is that guy's name? The 9.5?
It's for sale.
Dad,
Peyton Manning. Wait, what was that? Insult? Oh, ended.
I think you get better overall value with the Ali. That's fine. Moving forward.
All value. That was just in my collection.
Yeah.
Darvish is gone.
Darvish is gone. See, we took it. You're next.
Muhammad Ali's gone.
I'm either getting a Super Factor 101 or a
Who's
Kyrie
next?
and Anthony.
Big P.
Shit.
Big P. We got a Kyrie
yeah.
Davis.
Yeah.
That's a rookie year.
Kyrie Davis.
Number to 25.
Listen, the Ali's making a welcome value.
We need a.
I agree. It's still
Actually,
Need
that's
to
a
somehow
decent
put a
autograph compared to what you normally get at Ali's.
Yeah.
thing on this. Maple Leafs 27.
Yeah.
Oh, here. On the can you write it on this? Huh.
Okay.
So Big P, we got the Hilton 101 Super Fractor patch
Can I
autograph.
put ML 27?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
That would have been my first choice.
Oh, absolutely.
What he picked would have been my top set.
I hope that passes.
I feel like you should.
The super and the dual.
One and the other.
The super or the dual.
It's Ted Williams. It's Ted Williams dead.
I don't care, I'm getting one of them, so I'm happy.
He's in the Hall of Fame.
He's something between you two.
How's that go?
You can't go wrong with either one.
Oh yeah, you got
Yeah. Well, down to what was left. I mean, you just pick with your heart at that point. I mean, we're all in the same ballpark.
25 for 25, Big Pete. 25 for 25.
Because he hasn't done anything yet. Hilton but he's already in the league. I mean, he's good.
How much
No.
do you think I could get for one of them?
I have no clue.
Yeah.
25, 25, 101.
This was kind of a set
Yeah,
value.
I
You
picked
know what it's
next.
already worth, right?
I don't know what either of them are worth.
We're from St. Louis.
St. Louis fans are crazy. Just like Maple Leafs fans.
Yeah, it's a 1-1. Duels out of 25. 25, the wave is 50, I think, yep. 50 on the wave, 50, 25, 1.
What's the wave's name?
Blue wave. Oh. Giolito. The TY. 101 Superfractor. We gotta slip it in here. A decoy, I'm sorry. Big P621, he doesn't have one of those.
Yeah.
Slip of paper's fine. I see to get it done.
And the Williams is you can never go
Either
wrong
one.
with Teddy.
This is probably a no-brainer.
And
right?
pose up.
Yeah.
I mean, either one's riskier, safer.
Safer would be the Kyrie.
Kyrie Irving's safer.
So big P.
My son was telling me the same.
It's
Well,
available.
it's number one versus number one. Two number ones back to back.
Yeah.
Kyrie was number one and Davis was number one.
Davis hasn't gotten
And
spots,
CBJ is getting the Giolito, which Hardbringer just said sold for $275. So,
Really?
yep.
but you can still cut.